Contact Form 7 is one of the most widely used forms in the world. Over more than 9.6 million active websites are utilizing this beautiful form. This form is very easy to integrate. You just only need to install a plugin, that's it. But this form is very difficult to track. But in today's video, I will show how you can track this beautiful form very easily. So first, we need to navigate to our tag manager, and from here, new. In tag section, click on new and then choose custom HTML. And in this tag template, we need to copy this event listener code and paste it here. And after that, we need to select this all pages triggers and give this a name like CHTML CF7 and save. So what this code will does, this will push an event in the data layer, and by the help of this event we can track this form very easily. So first I will check the event listener form is working or not, it is pushing an event or not. So paste your contact form URL here and then connect. Okay, first I need to submit a test form. Okay, so this form has been submitted, and in data layer you can see here is a event that is pushed by that event listener code, and by help of this event we can track this form very easily. And if we click the data layer here, we can see that the necessary parameters that is also available. So now first we need to create the triggers. So the trigger should be CF7 submission. Copy it and go to the tag manager, and in triggers, new custom event, paste it here, and the event should be event. And now save. And now we need to create the required variables. For this form, the required variables are name and email, and subject you can send, but I will send all 4 parameters, and I will use this extension to collect all the parameters. So expand this response, and here you can see 0 1 2 3, so expand 0, and here you can see your name, and after the name you can see there is a icon, copy icon. So if you click this icon, it will copy the path of this variable. So after copy this, go to your tag manager, and in variables click new and find data layer variables and paste that variables path and give this a name like DLV full name and save it. And another parameter is email. Okay, save 7 submission, this is email. So copy this and paste it here, and the name is DLV email. CF7 for recognizing that this variables is for contact form submission. That's it. Okay, so I need to give the name differently. Now save it. Okay, now for subject, open the extension and expand this response. Now this is the subject, copy it and now paste it here, DLV subject CF7. And the last one is message. So copy the message and new data layer variables, paste DLV message. CF7. Save it. So the variables and triggers creation is done. Now I will configure the tags. I will send this event to Meta and Google GA4, and for GA4 select this GA4 event and paste the measurement ID here. For measurement ID, go to admin and then data streams. And now here you can see the measurement ID. So copy this and paste it here and give event name like CF7 submission, and events parameters are name, and name is DLB full name, and another one is email. Email is this one, DLB email. And now subject, this is subject, and another one is message. Okay, so this is the message, and now the trigger should be okay. So this event CF7 submission, and the name GA4 CF7 submission. Save it. And now for Facebook pixel, choose this Facebook pixel tag template, and first we need to give pixel ID. So in settings, this is events manager of Facebook. In settings, here you can see dataset ID. This is also a pixel ID. Copy it and paste the pixel ID here, and it should be custom event. Event name is CF7 submission. Okay, now expand object properties and add properties. First one is name, then email, then subject, and the last one is message. Okay, message, subject, now email and name. Okay, and the triggers is event CF7 submission, and give any name like Facebook pixel CF7 submission, and then save. So the implementation has done, and now I will check whether the setups are working properly or not. So preview it. Okay, now submit this form again. The subject like subject test, and your message contact form submission. Okay, now submit. And now here in this event you can see two tags fired successfully. One is GA4 and another one is Meta Pixel. So open this and you can see name, email, subject and message. So the Meta Pixel is working perfectly, and the parameters are sending. These are the parameters, and for GA4 it is also sending all the parameters perfectly, and the event name is CF7 submission. So this is how you can track this contact form 7 very easily by this event listener code. I will include that event listener code in video description. And now it is your time to track this beautiful form, because if you are not measuring, you are guessing. So stop guessing and start tracking.